Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you're watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, here I am on site. So in this video lecture today I'm going to discuss about lapping length and also for square columns. So let's start, and also lapping length for columns. So there are laborers, they are working now, so let's go there. First of all I will say something about RCC column and their lapping length, also about stirrups. So actually they are providing lapping length. You can see them there. So let's come. Okay guys, as you can see these steel, so they are providing lapping length with the help of a formula. This is the lapping length. This is from this point to this point. This is lapping length, and they bind this with the help of binding wire. Okay, so you can see, so you can use the formula for column here 6TD. Okay. Okay, so center to center distance. Okay, spacing between two stirrups is just 6 inch. Okay, this is lapping length, so they will provide the lapping length here now. Okay guys, as you can see this column, so the width of this column is just 1 foot, and also this side is also 1 foot. Okay, so it's 1 by 1 foot, means 12 by 12 inch, as you can see. So total numbers of steel bars are here in this column, 8 numbers at the top of. So it's just 8 numbers of steel are used, and spacing between two stirrups are here 6 inch. Okay. Okay guys, so it's sufficient for today. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.